You say you're looking for something that's hot, something that's brand new. Check this new sensation. Brittany Dockery.
What up, YouTube? It's your girl, Brittany. About to sing Tanisha Kelly, I Wish You Loved Me acapella, so hope you guys like it. Something as simple as me calling your name, puts me in a place that I can even explain. I really didn't know back then, but right now I'm totally sure. I know I'm your friend, but I wanna be much more. Butterflies up in my stomach, oh boy, you got me running. This feeling in my stomach tells me I should be a woman. 'Cause you're the only one who makes my fairy tale come true. What only makes them so sad? You never really gave them a chance. I wish I could say I love you so bad, but I don't wanna scare you away. Please, I wish that you'll understand that I wanna be more than just a friend. I wish you loved me. I see you talking to them girls on the phone, them girls on the phone. I wish that I could tell them all to leave you alone. I never really liked your girlfriend, never really gave them a chance. Please, I wish that you'll understand that I wanna be more than just a friend. I wish you loved me. I said if you really love somebody, I mean really, 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 really love somebody, let me hear you say yeah. Let me hear you say yeah, yeah. If you really know you need them, and deep down you're never gonna leave them, let me hear you say yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Please, I wish that you'll understand that I wanna be more than just a friend. I wish you loved me.